Just a few days back, I made these magical flaxseed cupcakes which reduce your sugar levels instead of raising them. See, before eating these cupcakes, my sugar level was 96, and 1 hour after eating these cupcakes, it was 82. So, I got a 14 decrease in my blood sugar levels after eating 2 cupcakes. To view the recipe of these cupcakes, you have to subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon right with it. What is a cupcake without a cream topping on it? So I added some cream topping, and after eating this cream cupcake, my sugar levels actually shot up. So in this video, basically we'll try different whipping creams and see if there is any whipping cream that we can put on our cupcakes and still maintain our sugar levels. So watch the video till the end and share it with everyone who wants to lose weight or maintain their blood sugar levels, but they don't want to give up on cream cupcakes. Assalamu alaikum, wonderful people. I am Dr. Asma Mahmood, and on these cupcakes, firstly I added a dairy-free whipping cream. This whipping cream had a nutrition profile which was impressive because it had 2 grams of carbohydrates and 2 grams of fat and 0 protein. So I thought I'll add a bit of stevia in my whipping cream, and when I apply it on my cupcakes, it will decrease my sugar levels because in the cupcakes I also added stevia, and that's why it decreases the blood sugar levels instead of raising it. And if you're a regular follower of my channel, you must know that before this I spiked my sugar laden rasmalai with some stevia, and it basically decreased my sugar levels instead of raising it. So I thought stevia will work its wonders again and it will decrease my sugar level. But the thing is, before eating this non-dairy whipped cream frosted cupcakes, my sugar level was 78, and 1 hour after eating it was 114. So a 36 unit rise in my blood sugar level. So in that video I had told you not to eat frosted cupcakes. But if you see the ingredient says that there is added sugar and some corn syrup, both of which raise blood sugar levels. But the thing is, the most important, it has hydrogenated oil in it. This hydrogenated oil is the reason why the stevia could not lower the sugar spike because of the sugar and the corn syrup. Because even when I ate the rasmalai, it had some milk fats in it, isn't it? And this is the reason why I tell my patients to avoid dairy free products, because instead of dairy they add hydrogenated oils which are even worse than dairy. Because as you can see, just within 10 minutes of making this video, there were bugs and insects roaming around to eat this garbage. These hydrogenated oils are not fit for human consumption. This is insect food basically. So as a next step, I took some dairy whipping cream, I froze it, and then I added some stevia in it, and then I piped my cupcakes with this whipping cream. The consistency was good. As you can see, it holds its shape good. Although the non-dairy whipping cream maintained its shape for more than 2 days. But the dairy whipping cream lost its shape within hours. Anyway, I checked my sugar level before eating the frosted cupcake with dairy whipping cream. It was 82. And 1 hour after eating this cupcake, my sugar level was 92. That is about a 10 unit rise in blood sugar levels, which is not much. Even this small spike in the blood sugar levels was because in the ingredients you can see there is glucose syrup in it. If there is a whipping cream without any glucose syrup or corn syrup in it, and we can add our stevia or it has stevia in it, it will not raise blood sugar levels, because a cream does not raise sugar levels. Cream is fat, it does not raise sugar. And as we have seen many times, stevia basically decreases the sugar levels. So let me know in the comment section below, do you know of any whipped cream that does not have sugar in it or has stevia in it? And do share this video with everyone who wants to lose weight or who wants to treat their diabetes, although they don't want to give up on creamed cupcake. Anyway, take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.